Good evening to one and all. Welcome back our favorite video channel SGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar, JL in Mathematics. We discussed JEE Mains chapter wise solutions. In previous videos, some topics already discussed. Now this time we discuss the chapter straight lines. This is also a very important topic in JEE Mains. Very easiest questions are came from this topic. First of all, we discuss the weightage of this topic. In last January 2020 session, there are 5 questions are came from this topic. Now we discuss the solutions of the questions.
Okay.
Now the first question is, let A of 1 0, B of 6 comma 2, C of 3 by 2 6 be the 3 vertices of the triangle ABC if P is a point inside the triangle ABC such that the triangles APC, APB and BPC have equal areas. These triangles APC, APB and BPC have equal areas. Then the length of the line segment PQ. Here find the length of the line segment. Here Q point is minus 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 3. Now here we find the point P and find the length of PQ using distance formula. So which is very easiest question. So first of all we observe that ABC are 3 vertices of the triangle and here P is a point inside the triangle ABC. So now we take one diagram. Here this is ABC. Here the point P inside the triangle. The point P is inside the triangle. And also here this point divides the triangle 3 equal parts. 3 equal areas triangles. Now the triangles are APB, APC and BPC. Here the point P divides 3 equal areas. So that is 3 small triangles. Now the triangles have equal areas. So here we observe that this type of point is called centroid of the triangle ABC. Here the point P is centroid of the triangle. Now centroid is only divides 3 equal areas triangles in total triangle ABC. So here first we find centroid. Now using the centroid formula, G equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula for centroid. Now using this formula, in this the vertices are substituted in this one. Here x1 means 1, y1 is 0, x2 is 6, y2 is 2, x3 is 3 by 2 and y3 is 6. So these are substituted in this one. x1 plus x2 plus x3, 1 plus 6 plus 3 by 2 whole by 3 and y coordinates 0, 2, 6, 0 plus 2 plus 6 by 3. Here it can simplify 3, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3 by 2. So 2 7 is 14 plus 3, 17 by 2 3 is 6. Here 8 by 3. So this is centroid. Now this is the point P. This is the point P. Already given Q point. So and Q is already given, that is minus 7 by 6 and minus 1 by 3. Now we find the length of PQ. So PQ equals to, using distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Substitute these points. x1 means 17 by 6 plus 7 by 6. Here minus of minus plus 7 by 6 whole square plus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square. Now it can simplify. Here 17 plus 7, 24 by 6 whole square plus 9 by 3 whole square. That equals to 24 by 6 is 4 square, 16 plus 9 by 3 is 3 square, 9. That is 25. So that is 5. So length of PQ equals to 5. So 5 units. Now solution is 5 units. This question is integer type question. One is the locus of midpoint of the perpendicular drawn from the point on the line x equal to y to the line x equal to y is. Here find the locus of the midpoint. That midpoint lie on the perpendicular line. This perpendicular line is drawn from the point on the line x equal to y to the line x equal to y. So here we observe that x equal to y and x equal to y are always passing through the origin. Now we take one diagram. Here this is x equals to y. This is x equals to 2y. Let P be any point on the line x equal to y, and we draw one perpendicular line to x equal to y. This is perpendicular line. Now we intersect some point Q, and let R be the midpoint of PQ. Here find locus of midpoint. Now that midpoint is lie on the perpendicular line PQ. Here let it be that point is some R. So let P be any point on x equals to 2y, and we draw perpendicular line from P to x equals to y, which intersects at Q. Now slope of x equal to y is m equals to 1. Then equation of PQ, which is already perpendicular to x equal to y. Now that is y equals to minus 1 into x plus some constant k. Now which implies y equals to minus x plus k. This is perpendicular equation PQ. So here we find the point of intersection of Q and P. So to solve PQ and x equal to y, we get Q, and to solve PQ and x equal to y, we get P. Q implies point of intersection of x equals to y and y equals to minus x plus k. Here we add these two equations, then 2y equals to k, which implies y equals to k by 2. Therefore x equals to y, here x equals to y, therefore x is also k by 2. Therefore q equals to k by 2 comma k by 2. The point of intersection of PQ and x equal to y is k by 2 comma k by 2. Similarly, next we find the point P. So P implies point of intersection of x equals to 2y and y equals to minus x plus k. Here also we add these two equations. Here x will be cancelled. 3y equals to some k. Now y equals to k by 3. Therefore x equals to 2 into k by 3. That equals to 2k by 3. Therefore the point of intersection P equals to 2k by 3 comma k by 3. Now here we get the points P and Q. Now to find midpoint of PQ, let it be that point is R. Therefore midpoint of PQ equals to R, which implies R equals to, here to find midpoint, Now using the formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now sum of the x coordinates by 2. K 2k by 3 plus k by 2. By 2 and k by 3 plus k by 2 by 2. Sum of x coordinates by 2 and sum of y coordinates by 2. Here it can simplify 4k plus 3k, 7k by 12. Here 2k plus 3k, 5k by 6 into 2, 12. Let R equals to xy be the point on the locus. Therefore, we equate x equals to 7k by 12 and y equals to 5k by 12. We observe that x by 7 equals to y by 5 equals to k by 12. Now here first two terms we observe and cross multiply. 5x minus 7y equals to 0. Now this is one of the locus which is in the option 3. This is the solution for this question. The third one is, let 2 points be a of 1 minus 1 and b of 0 2. If a point p of x dash y dash be such that the area of triangle APB equals to 5 square units, and it means p of x dash y dash lies on the line 3x plus y minus 4 lambda equals 0, then lambda equals to dash. In this problem we observe that there are 3 points are there. Now the points are a equals to 1 minus 1, b equals to 0 2 and p equals to x dash y dash. Given that the area of triangle APB equals 5 square units. So first we find area of the triangle using given 3 points. We know that area of the triangle delta equals to, the formula is 1 by 2 mod x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This value already given. Now equating 5 square units. Now which implies it can simplify that 1 by 2 into, substitute the values of x1 y1 1, that is 1 minus 1 1, x2 y2 1 0 2 1, x3 y3 1, x dash y dash 1, that equals to 5. Now here it can simplify 1 into 2 1 is 2 minus y dash, that is 2 minus y dash, minus of minus plus 1 into 0 minus x dash plus 1 into 0 minus 2x dash equals to, here we take 2 to right side, now multiply with 5, that is 10, here plus or minus 10. Now it can imply that, here simplify this equation, minus x dash minus 2x dash minus 3x dash, 1 into 2 minus y dash, so minus y dash plus 2 equals to plus or minus 10. Now multiply with minus 3x dash plus y dash minus 2 equals to plus or minus 10. Now which implies 3x dash plus y dash minus 2, here we take plus 10, or 3x dash plus y dash minus 2 equals to minus 10. Now this is 3x dash plus y dash minus 2 minus 10 minus 12 equals to 0. Now here we can write 3x dash plus y dash minus 4 into some 3 equals to 0. And 3x dash plus y dash minus 2, here we take minus 10, minus 2 plus 10. So minus plus 8 equals to 0. Now here also we write 3x dash plus y dash plus some 4 into 2 equal to 0. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and the given line is, since the given line is 3x plus y minus 4 lambda equals to 0. Now observe the lines and this line. Here in x plus x dash, y plus y dash. So x is replaced by x dash, y is replaced by y dash. Now here the point x dash y dash satisfies this equation. So, and also here we write minus 12 can be written as minus 4 into 3. Here plus 8 can be written as minus 4 into some minus 2. Now comparing with this line, given line, here lambda equals to 3 or lambda equals to minus 2. Now we observe the options. Lambda equals 3 in fourth option. So lambda is also minus 2. So which is not in the option. Now we get the value of lambda equals to 3. So this is the solution for this problem. Now the fourth one is the length of the perpendicular from the origin on the normal to the curve x square plus 2xy minus 3y square equals 0 at the point 2, 2. Here we find length of the perpendicular from the origin. Now that perpendicular is called normal. So here the normal to the curve. Here the normal to the curve. First we find normal to this curve. Now the given equation is equation of pair of lines is x square plus 2xy minus 3y square equals 0. Now this equation can be factorized, which implies here minus 3x square y square. So x square minus plus 3xy minus xy minus 3y square equals to 0. Now we take common x. Here the value, remaining value x plus 3y. Here we take common minus y. The remaining value is x plus 3y equals to 0. Now which implies that here we take common x plus 3y into x minus y equals to 0. Here we get two individual straight lines. Now that are x plus 3y equal to 0 or x minus y equals 0. So these are two line equations. Now here, first of all verify the point 2, 2 in these two equations. Now here substitute the point 2 plus 3 into 2, that equals to 2 plus 6, 8, which is not equal 0. Therefore that point not satisfies the equation. Now we do not take this equation. Similarly, substitute in this equation, that is 2 minus 2 equals 0. So here the point 2, 2 satisfy the line x minus y equals 0. Therefore normal to x minus y equals 0 at 2, 2 is x plus y equals to some lambda. Now to find normal at this point, now substitute this point in this equation. 2 plus 2 equals to lambda. Now that equals to lambda equals to 4. Therefore equation of normal is x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. So this is normal line. And also to find the length of the perpendicular from the origin. Now this normal is called perpendicular line, which is perpendicular. Therefore length of perpendicular line from O00. Origin means O00 is modulus of, we substitute the origin in this equation, 0 plus 0 minus 4 by, now we take square root of coefficient of x and coefficient of y, 1 square plus 1 square, so 1 plus 1. Here this is 4 by root 2. Now here we write 2 into root 2 whole square by root 2. Now cancel root 2, both numerator and denominator, that value is 2 root 2. So which is in the option 2. This is the length of perpendicular from the origin. This is the solutions for this problem. Now the fifth one is, if CB centroid of triangle having vertices 3 minus 1, 1, 3, 2, 4. Let P be the point of intersection of the lines x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Then the line passing through the points C and P also passes through the point. In this problem, C is the centroid of the triangle. Now the vertices of triangle are already given. So first we find centroid. The points are A 3 minus 1, B 1 3 and C equals to 2 4. Using centroid formula, G equals to C equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Substitute the points, 3 plus 1 plus 2 by 3, minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 by 3. Now it can simplify. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 by 3. This is 2. 3 plus 4, 7 minus 1, 6 by 3. This is also 2. Now the centroid is 2, 2. Here another condition is given. P is the point of intersection of the lines x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Now we find point of intersection of these two lines. Now given lines are x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0 and second one is 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Here to find point of intersection. Solve the equations. Therefore, x equals to 2 by minus 10 and y equals to minus 4 by minus 10. So, therefore, point of intersection. P equals to, here simplify with, cancel with 2, here also cancel with 2. So, minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5. This is the point P. Now here, the line passing through the point C and P also and also passes through the point. Now we find the equation. We find the equation using P and C or G. C means centroid. Now equation of the line joining points. C equals to 2, 2 and P equals to minus 1 by 5, 2 by 5. Using the line equation formula, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now, this line passing through the point P and C. So, here we go to verification method. To check the points, substitute in this one and which point is satisfies this equation, that point is our answer. So by verification method, second option is minus 9 minus 6 satisfies the line equation 8x minus 11y plus 6 equals 0. This is the solution for this problem. So these are 5 questions are came in January 2020 session in JEE Mains this year. So prepare and practice well this topic. Wish you all the best. Thank you.